Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a food challenge, but before I tell you what it's going to be about, I just want to say a huge thank you to Mansi Mau. She gave me a shout out in one of her videos and she said such sweet things that she watches my videos sometimes, and I am on cloud 9 since that day. So yeah, thank you so much Mansi for sending so many viewers and subscribers my way. Love you, or rather love you if that's right. So yeah, today's video is going to be a food challenge. One subscriber commented few months ago to do a food challenge, one of those I eat only dash for 24 hours a day, and then my mom had a brilliant idea. So my mom suggested to make a video where I eat only food cooked by me for 24 hours because I can't cook, so this will be interesting. So my mom will just guide me with the recipe and I will make it all by myself for 24 hours. Okay, so for breakfast I'm going to make dhokla because it will be easy. This is the ready to mix dhokla, and I'll make some coffee because I can't live without my coffee. So the first thing that mom said we have to do is remove the cooker ki seeti. We have to pull it. There you go. So in our cooker we have a little bit of water, and then we are going to add this thing so that our dhokla will be at a height. So now we are going to place this super heavy cooker on the gas, and then I'm going to just keep this lid over here. So the first step is to oil this pan जिसमें हमारा ढोकला होगा. बस. This is the dhokla mix by Emer. You want some? One bowl of the dhokla mix. Add that in your big bowl. Okay, and then we have to take the same quantity of water. Add that to our mix. Okay, one reason that I've never cooked is because I have never stayed away from my parents, so I never felt the need to cook, but I know it's a skill that everyone should have, so I hope my mom is happy today. And now we have to add this batter to our original and main pan. I feel like I'm making a cake. So this is our pan ready. It looks like a cake only. Okay, so we are back at the cooker and the water is boiling. This is the scary part.
And now we are going to the water is the water is hot. The water is hot. The water is hot. But me tala place. मुझे तला show करो. Is that partner? नहीं हाथ ठेवो आहे ना. Can I use this? No. I am very scared of hot utensils. Is that right? Oh. और शपथ अब है. ठीक है ना?
Okay, so I did that. Good job. There we go. Next thing is to take a little bit of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Done. Okay, time to do some chopping. We have mirchi, 3 little mirchi. Then we have kari patta. Then we have kothimir. Okay, till the cooker cools down, we are going to make a cup of coffee. My mom makes the best coffee in the world, better than all cafes. So I'm going to try and recreate that. So my favorite brand is this one, Nescafe Classic. I don't know how much coffee I should take. I always get that wrong. Sometimes my coffee is too strong and sometimes my coffee is not enough. So is this enough? So we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I like to beat my coffee. Just a little bit of water. And then we're just gonna beat it. Smells so nice. One reason I hate cooking is because you get so hot near the gas and you get all hot and sweaty, so I hate that. That looks so nice and creamy. Add a little bit. Mix it and add a little bit. Mix it. Add a little. Mummy, this is the Cuban style. Okay, now I like to add some cocoa powder to my coffee because then it tastes so yummy and delicious. Just like cafe style. The cooker has cooled down now. We are... Oh, freak! Oh my gosh. Sagda laga jata garam. Okay, I think you should open it from this side so that it will not come all over your hand.
मला लागेल. अरे कुठे टाकू? तिकडे एवढी जागा इकडे ठेव ना. इकडे ठेव ना.
I'm gonna take our little cake out. Wow! Is this like a pineapple cake? Oh my god, we have to cut the cake now, right? Okay, now we have to add that little sweet water mixture. Okay, so this is the red chili powder. We are going to add it.
नहीं अभी क्या करना है? डाल दे उसमें. कितना? डाल. ये क्या है? जीरा. So जीरा. Oh my god, we use the जीरा software at work. Whatever. जीरा. डाल. कितना? Okay, 1 spoon of जीरा. Oh my gosh, that's gonna come out. जल्दी डाल. जल्दी. डाल दो. सब कुछ. हाँ. आला मजा आता है थोड़ा सा. That's why I hate cooking because this oil falls back on us. Can you see that? Oh my gosh! अभी ये उसके ऊपर डालना है. कैसे डालेगी क्या? Oh my gosh करती रहेगी. ये उड़ता है यार हाथ पे. हाँ उसके ऊपर डालने का. So now we are adding that तड़का on the ढोकला. नीट अगं किती गडबड करते कशासाठी? मग. Okay. अगं सरळ तरी ठेव त्याच्यावरचं पडून नाही द्यायचं ते असं. असं असतं का? आता हाताने काढ. Done na? This is our dhokla ready. I hope it tastes good.
Okay, so this is my breakfast ready after 5 hours of cooking. Dugu is ready. So this is your breakfast, Dugu. Some coffee and dhokla. Hello. हाँ तुम्हारे ही लिए. Rate this out of 5. Okay, mom को अच्छा लगा. She says it's yummy. It's nice. It's not as spongy as it is when you make it. But it's yummy. 5 on 5 for a beginner. Coffee is also nice. It's not as nice when mom makes it. But yeah, not bad. And it took me like 5 hours to cook. So I know how hard cooking is. Huge thank you to all our moms who do so much for us. So much mehnat. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this breakfast now. And I'll be back to make lunch. Okay guys, now time for lunch. So for lunch, I'm going to make bhindi, which is my favorite. Bhindi is the king of all vegetables. And I think it will be easy to make. So yeah. First step is just to chop the bhindi, pretty self-explanatory. First step is to add some oil. बस?
नहीं वो शेफ लोग करते हैं. ते तू शेफ अजून व्हायची आहेस. Can I do like this? So it will be quick. सगळं इकडे तिकडे उडेल नको. आणि मिरची. मम्मी तेल लिटरली उडत आहे. छोटे उडत आहे. अरे ये उडेगा ना? नाही उडत ग. जास्त उडत नाही घे काढून.
Mom, you have to tell me कि हाँ but कितने बड़े इतना?
सबसे पहले इसमें ना छोटी है. Here we go. Moment of truth. आता से करना? आता से नहीं चलते ना. Now one more forward. Okay, it's a square. तेरा गोल शेप देता प्रयत्न कर. करती है. ठीक है. Oh my gosh, perfect. Perfection. This is the final roti. गरम तो नहीं है ना? गरम ही तो चाहिए ना. आता हे बघ इथून असं गोल केलं तर इथून वर केलं तर ते गोल होईल ना. थोडंसं हा पोर्शन ना हा टाकण्याचा. हा इथून असं थोडंसं वर न्यायचं. Oh, that's a technique. Okay, first one is done. Roti number 2. What? नहीं होती किसी की? Yes, I rock. I'm the best. मतलब जो पहली बार करते हैं. I told you I'm the best. Wow. See? That is perfection. Fully right.
Okay, moment of truth. Time to taste this. So roti is a little hard, but it's okay. So this is the roti. It's a bit hard from the center, but I think it's quite a good circle. But yeah, it's a little hard on this side. Yeah, I hate cooking. That I have understood today. So much mehnat and time consuming. Bhindi is good. The tadka is good, so that's why bhindi tastes good. But yeah, however it is, I will have to eat it and enjoy it. But yeah, my mom is 10 times better and I'll never cook again. Okay, so it's dinner time now. So for dinner, I'm going to make baked vegetable. The plan initially was to make white sauce pasta because I love white sauce pasta, but we don't have the actual pasta and we are in a lockdown, so the shops are closed, so we can't get it. So my dad suggested let's make something that's closer to it, and that's baked vegetable. It's literally the same, it's just that it doesn't have the pasta in it, and my dad makes really good baked vegetables, so he will be guiding me and I'll be making it, and I love it. So nice and cheesy and creamy and yummy. Yeah, so I'm just going to chop the beans, the carrot, and we have basically beans, carrots and the matar, and we are going to boil this so that the veggies will be soft. Okay, so while the veggies are boiling, we'll start with our white sauce. So I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of butter. So after that we are going to add some maida to it. Okay, so veggies are ready. It should be nice and soft. Okay, so now we are going to set the microwave on grill mode for 5 minutes.
Duggu is here. इसको चीज़ बहुत पसंद है, इसलिए वो चीज़ के स्मेल से आ गया.
He's ready now. He is ready for cheese. The melting cheese smells so nice.
अरे मत लगाओ हाथ, उसको बोला है ग्लव्स के बिना हाथ मत लगाओ.
Yeah, you will get it, baby. Wow. Yeah, come have some. Okay, finally it's ready now. We have added some oregano. अच्छा, ये देखो, ये आ गया खाने ये. So Tanu loves oregano and he loves the cheese. So yeah. Excuse me, mister. Hello. Please let me serve. अरे यार, गिर जाएगा यार. रुक. You're only having my food. He just touched my food like. It's nice. Taste is really nice. Only if we add a little more cheese, it will be better.
Yeah, let's add some more cheese, Duggu. Yeah, let's add some more cheese. It's good, na? A little healthy, a little not healthy mixture.
Okay guys, so I'm going to end the video over here. This challenge was so difficult for me that I don't think I'll ever cook again. It's such a big task and so much of time and effort. So whoever is living alone and who cooks and does the other daily routine, very commendable job. This is difficult, but yeah, it feels nice to, you know, eat the food that you've made. It is yummier. So I'm going to enjoy this, and I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.